So today for math class, you guys have a bit of a review of skills that you guys have learned over the last year, both in math and a little bit in literacy as well. You guys are doing a digital escape room today. Each of the escape room itself has 5 different clues. You need to solve each of the clues in order to figure out the overall answer, the overall solution. So a restful and relaxing camping trip is just what we needed. I know, I miss Ballarat. We should have been going up tomorrow morning, but we can still do some camping things, even if it's not actually in Ballarat. Camping is a lot of fun. There is always so much to do. We can go hiking, canoeing, and even roast marshmallows. But we have a problem. We have a thief in our mix. Can you help me find out who keeps popping into camp and taking our supplies? So someone's coming into our camp and taking all of our things. Uh-oh. Let's figure out who. So in this first clue, you have to find the missing number. So you have to divide 212 and 85 hundredths by 23 and 65 hundredths to figure out the missing number. Now they give you some options. So you can divide by 7, divide by 9, or divide by 8. Or you can multiply our quotient by our divisor to get the dividend. You have a few of those. And then you're going to put them in order below. So if you got a 9 here, you're going to put a 9. Then 6, then 4, then 9 again. Whatever order they are in, you're going to type them in that order down there. All right. This next problem, you guys are choosing the correct word that matches the clue. So which word uses the prefix re, the same way it is used for the word reuse? So think, what does reuse mean? What does the re mean in that? Is it the same as receipt, like a check receipt? Reach, as in to grab something? Or refill, as in to fill something up again? You have a few of those, and you're going to enter the direction here. So looking at the direction, so if this was up and the word was by for this clue, you're looking at the arrow and you're going to put a capital U. If it was cry, you're going to put a capital D for down. And if it was pointing to my left, you're going to put a capital L. Next part is you have to solve the problems. Solve each problem, but then place the numbers in order from least to greatest. So you have to order these marshmallows and solve the math problem over here. Roast the marshmallows, solve the math problem. Eventually, you are going to get your answer. So whatever answer was here, you guys are going to sort all of these numbers that you get as your answer from least to greatest. And then you're going to put the color that corresponds. So for instance, if I multiplied this out and I got this number right here, I'm going to put green. Then I multiplied and I got red. Then I multiplied out and I got blue. I'm going to order from least to greatest this green, the red, and the blue. And I'm going to think, which one's least? Will definitely be the 14. And then it's going to be the 31. And then the 50. So my answer is going to be R, B, G. So you have quite a few steps in this part right here. Remember, multiply first, then order all of your answers, least to greatest, and then keep in mind their color. and write their colors down in that sequence. Finally, you guys have a synonym. A synonym means words that mean the same thing. A synonym for something that means the same thing. So, what is a word that also means frightened? Is it settle, startle, or calm? I'm going to give you guys a hint. It's startle. So T is my first code letter. I'm going to put a T right here. Then I'm going to keep going. Finally, you're going to put your answer together. And that's it. You guys have some optional questions you can answer. But really, you guys have those 3 different parts: 2 math, 2 literacy, and you guys are going to do excellent. Good luck, 5th grade.